Today, I've got an exciting topic for you: 5 digital side hustles you can start in 2025, and the best part: no coding required. That's right, you don't need to be a tech wizard to jump into the digital world and start earning. Let's dive right in. First up, we have reseller hosting. Think of it as renting out space on the internet. You buy hosting resources from a big provider, then sell them to your own clients under your brand. It's like being a landlord, but for websites. Why it's great: low upfront costs, flexible income streams, no coding needed, just manage accounts and customer support. Tip: start by partnering with trusted hosting providers like M2 Host, and learn the basics of managing hosting accounts. Next, let's talk about freelance website development, but don't worry, you don't need to write code. Use website builders like Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify. These platforms are super user-friendly and allow you to create beautiful sites with drag-and-drop editors. Your role: design websites for small businesses or entrepreneurs. Customize templates. Provide branding and content layout services. Pro tip: build a portfolio showcasing your work, and join freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients easily. Number 3, we have domain selling. Think of it as real estate, but online. You buy domain names that you think will be in demand, then sell them later at a profit. Why it's cool: minimal ongoing work. Potential for high returns if you pick the right names. No technical skills needed, just some research and a good eye for trends. Tip: use platform like M2 Host to buy and list domains. Keep an eye on emerging trends, new brands, or popular keywords. Fourth on our list is web hosting affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to earn commissions by referring people to hosting services. How it works: sign up for affiliate programs from hosting providers. Share your unique referral link on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. When someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission. Why you'll love it: it's passive income. Once your links are out there, you can earn while sleeping. And last but not least, you can create and sell digital products like website templates, social media graphics, ebooks, or guides. How to start: use tools like Canva, Adobe Spark, or Photoshop to design products. List them on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or your own website. Promote on social media to reach your audience. Bonus: this side hustle is scalable and can become a steady income stream once you build a loyal customer base. So there you have it, 5 super accessible digital side hustles to kick off in 2025, no coding needed. Whether you want to help others build their websites, sell domains, or promote hosting services, there's something here for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below telling us which hustle you're thinking of trying first.